Good day, my people. Good day, Abia or Kebu TV. Nona Ihoro. And today, on Friday, the 16th day of May 2025. I actually na Osisioma flyover. Keji Puma, Sena flyover Basarage. Eji flyover. This is the flyover. One of the work of the last administration, you can see. But now, to put icing on the cake, His Excellency Dr. Osisioma Oti have decided to bring in a water fountain, a beautiful water fountain. Now this very junction, just to beautify it and also makes it look more good and also more astonishing. Yes, and also work on the aesthetic design at this very junction. Or very important junction. Or here, Jamala, Osisioma, even though Osisioma, even though when they make some of them, yes, yeah. So that's by the way, I don't know if you want to do a second back. I to what you move Zuno. That was the same company. Caro, all those water fountain Aba here and also no Maya. Seem that they are doing very, very well. When you look at this, you can see that this is purely marbles. They are ordinary tiles. I see them. Let me zoom. These are pure marbles. So I work anyhow to Security area. So this will also gonna be like a center of attraction, a center of beautification, and also to add more beauty as people are coming down to the states, wherever you are coming down from. This is going to be one of the things that we're going to welcome you at this very state. So they have started this. When they started this, I never knew no water fountain called Awu, but today you can see that the design have gradually come up, and people are now testify and also confirm. Now for another beautiful water fountain yet to be completed. No here anaru eba. Anyu akwano eke na ore eke. Our duty always is just to make sure that wherever you are watching us, wherever you are following us, that you always get involved, always get on the know, always follow the information. Now draw up on this very beautiful city. So I know na Osisioma today to show you the ongoing these are the tiling stage, and they both my front my back. Here you now run on the tiles, so marbles. They are purely marbles, because marbles are one thing that will always stand the test of time. Even if million or no matter the years, it will always remain evergreen, and it will always sparkle and also look good. That's why they are using marbles all over, unlike them buying a hobby. So, oh no, I have a money everyone go as a market, but they are Zulu. For some time now, I've not been to this Osisioma artist. No, maybe what possible, I'll also be going up to show you other areas. So, because all the man, you like our video, comment and ask your question. Because I don't know how you all the very, very important that you do this. So stay tuned on Kebu TV for more this. Yeah, so I know that Hallelujah flyover. I keep on reminding you people, I keep on saying this. Please, wherever you are watching us from, give us a thumb up, like, comment, and also ask your question. But the liking our video is very, very paramount, it's very, very important. To always make us to be outstanding, to always make us to be different, to always make social YouTube to always recommend us for good. So you can see as they go, all you can see the beauty, you can see how the area is looking, you can as well see the flyover that we are talking about. These are some of the things that is needed. These are some of the things that you needed to see for you to understand the beauty and the how neat Aba is currently. You can see that men are working, men are firing, men are putting all eggs together to make sure that we'll be able to give Aba State those beauty touches. You can see the aesthetic design, you can see the beauty, you can see how this area is speedily coming up. So all Hebu Anyi, they are able today. On the possible, we will also be showing you those areas Gawara towards Ikabara. Yes, it's also good. We show you those areas Gawara towards Ikabara. You need to understand what we are talking about. So we have a lot. We have so many things to show you about the about Abia State. Emana this is government only wrote this flyover for the last administration. But at the time, we so many potholes, so many issues, which has been addressed by this present government. Not before. Bagane is so many things. Chineke mele ebere ka wala a thing of the past. So even Kegawara Ikabara, you can see how the whole area is looking. Population on Aba, Keke, all Canada, yeah, the company now this Ikabara NMPC 3.5 kilometer roads. You can see them. You can see where the equipment is lying. I think I'm to Chaunu. But we'll also be showing you heavy duty trucks. We'll also be showing you the progress of work. Now those 3.5 kilometer Ikabara roads. And I'm near the flyover as we speak. Yes, I did on top of the flyover. Aba population of Aba is increasing rapidly. Population of Aba is really getting known. It's really getting touched. A na-ekwu okwu, a na-eme eme. All he kwuru ka a na-eme as they play, and so it dey show. You can see how people are speeding. Unu anụta ala bekee ga-amata ma ụta ka flyover kwesịrị ịdị. Arụtakwara ya, ọ dịkwa design, ọ dịkwa mma. Unu aga akọwa. Here are the first flyover arụrụ na Abia State. So I may not be able to know otu kwesịrị ịdị. Unu ga-agwa anyị. Mụ awụ ị na-ebe sure na aga na-eti gị ya. Ahụkwara m na ebe a na-edike eme ebe adreesị. Look at this. Look at this. Ị na-edike eme ebe a adreesị. Ịhapụ ihe na ndị akpagara ga-achọ wee ebe tụọ ọrụ ọda. Yes, there's this for we to address this very issue. Or the important, or the very important that we address this issue. I will try to reach out to many Northern Naga. If you allow them, this road down will kill some assault to motor. Look at it. Road down will kill some assault to motor. Obuliela elu. Ocholo onye n'ogo. Oto na-ese video. Akpọrọ ekwensu. Ekwensu n'ọrụ onwe. Ekwensu n'onwe onye ojisoboga. Yeah, so this is the Friday edition on Kebu TV, being Friday, the 16th day of May 2025. So I'm on a Osisioma flyover just to show you. If I'm not ready to risky, but I got my way over here, my yeah, yes. I'm on the Arab contractors. Driving along. So many companies are working in Abia State. Aba have been turned to a full construction site, and not one our duty, touching down all those areas, or one or the other. Naga, look at the beauty, look at the town. There's University Road, also Stella Maris. Yes. University Road around this environment, Stella Maris Road. I will also be showing you Inuke Water. Abia is coming. Abia is speedily coming. Oge na-adịkwa anya by his special grace. Kebukebu will also be going visiting various states and South-East, various communities. Because we are representing our Igbo. You are here to do you better. I want to carry some local governments and also in Abia. So you know this time to digest into going towards other area. Like here, we are prepared. Oh, Chineke Wanyume, Chineke, you want the strength for me to be doing this. So let us just tell Amadi, let me zoom up with this administration area. About the very, very bad. Those are now. Yeah, they also tell Amadi and at the university road or what this administration area. As I'm doing before I run the up. Because also the Abia you know years ago it's no longer the Abia you are seeing today. A lot of transformation are already taking place and the state have also taken shape and we are moving higher and higher every day because of the visionary leader we have in Dr. Osisioma OFR. He has done a lot and we are so happy. So keep a date on Kebu TV and always remember to like our video and also comment on your make any email. It will always make us to be outstanding and also make a headway. So stay tuned on Kebu TV for more gist and also more revealing and also more breaking news. You are watching Kebu TV. I love you all. Oh,